Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool Easter basket with the long handle, just like it has the little woven stitch here, and it makes it look like a real Easter basket, which is kind of cool. I did it in pink and white, and it's just acrylic, a medium weight acrylic, and I use 2 strands at a time, so it'll be nice and stiff. We're going to do the bottom first and the flat bottom, so we're going to start with that. We're going to use a size 6mm hook, okay? We are eventually going to need, for the handle, a 26 gauge wire, so that helps it be more stable and stand upright. So let's get going, okay? We're going to start with the slip knot, okay? A regular slip knot. Put your hook in, and you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then you're going to go into the first chain and pull out a loop and make a slip knot. Okay? You're going to chain up 2, which is going to be considered our first half double crochet. And we're going to do 11 half double crochets in this little circle that we made, okay? So you're going to yarn over, go into the circle, grab your loop, yarn over, and pull through all your loops. Okay, let's do it again. Yarn over, go into the middle of the circle, pull out a loop, yarn over again, and pull through. Now that's 3, so what we're going to continue to do is do it until we have 12 all the way around, okay? So the next will be 4. And it takes a minute to be able to grab the 2 strands and work with the 2 strands, so just take your time. 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to tug a little too, because you have the 2 strands and it's thick. 8, 9, and we're covering that little yarn that was left too. So now we're in 9. We're going to do 3 more. 10 half double crochets, 11. I hope you could see this good too, because that helps. And 12. Okay? So make sure you count to make sure you have exactly 12, because that's really important. Okay, next you're going to go up 1, 2. You see these chains? That was the first one we made. 1, 2. You're going to put your hook in there, grab your yarn, and make a slip knot, so you have a complete circle. Now we're going to chain up 2, and on the next row we're going to just do 2 in every chain. Okay, so you yarn over, go right back. See where this is coming out, this little hole? You're going to go right back in there, grab your yarn, yarn over, and pull through. So that makes 2. Ooh, make sure you keep those little 2 strands together. So that makes 2. In the next chain, you're going to do 2 again. 2 half double crochets, okay? And all the way around, we're going to do 2 half double crochets into every chain, okay? So at the end, you'll have 24 half double crochets. So keep going. 1, 2, 3. Made a mistake. Just take your time. Go into there. Make 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. I think it's a really cute basket, you know, because you could use this for the kids' candy. It's something you could use and they could keep in their bedroom afterwards or whatever, you know, and use it to put stuff in. And of course you could do it in blue and white or any color you want to, you know, for boys or more pastel. I kind of like this brighter pink, but you could use any color, of course, that you like. Okay, we're heading towards the end here. And we're going to definitely, because you know how many times I've counted wrong and had to start all over again. So I count at the end of every row, even now. Okay? So right now I'm going to make a count. I'm going to pull out my hook and count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So the last little chain here, we're going to go in and make a 24. 24 half double crochets. Okay? Now we're going to count up 1 chain, 2 chain, and go in there with your hook, grab your yarn, and slip knot. Okay? So now we have 24. Let's do the third row. 1, 2 chains up. Ooh, 2 chains up. Go right back into that same hole just like we did last time, right where this comes out of. Okay? And make a half double crochet. And this time, we're going to go, so that makes 2 in that hole. The next one, we're going to do 1 half double crochet. And then the next one, we're going to do 2 half double crochet. And we're going to continue that pattern all the way around. 2, and then in the next chain, 1 half double crochet. In the next chain, 2 half double crochets. Okay? In the next one, 1 half double crochet. In the next one, 2. And continue to do that. I'm going to just keep rolling the film. Take your time. We're going to do 2 in one and 1 in the next. Okay? 2 half double in the next. And then 1 in the next. 2 in the next. And 1 in the next. So this is going to make a nice firm foundation for the basket, the bottom of the basket. 1, 2 half double in this, and 1 in the next. At the end of this row, we should have 36 half double crochets, okay? 2 in this one, 1 in the next, 2 half double in the next one, and 1 in the next. Coming around the corner here, 2 in the next, and take your time. I'm going a little faster. You could take your time. And 1 in the next, because you kind of have to get the rhythm of it, you know. 2 in the next, and 1 in the next. 2 in the next, and 1 in the next. And because we started off with 2 right here, you should end with just 1, okay? 1 in this last hole. Then you're going to count, take out your hook, count. 2, remember that 2 chain means 1, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Exactly. Put your hook back in and make a slip knot in the second chain up. Okay? Now the next one, and this is how the pattern's going to go. Okay, you chain up 2. You're going to go right back into that hole and make a half double crochet. So you're starting with 2. And now this time, you're going to go 2, 1, 1. All the way around. Then you'll chain up 2, okay? Then you'll go 2, 1, 1, 1. Then you'll chain up 2, and then you'll go 2, 1, 1, 1. And at the end of that, you'll have 17 half double crochets, and that will be the bottom of our basket, and then I'll come back and show you the sides, okay? So I'll meet you back when you're done with that.